Ginaniknikan iti local designers nga heritage never goes out of style iti Inabel Fashion Show ana isayangkat iti may sa amol iti syudad ti Laoag kas paset paylaeng ti pannakarambak ti Pamulinawen Festival. Dito'y an itag-ay ken ipagpanakkel ti Abel Iloco nga isumit ti maysa kadagiti magibagbagi tinabak na nga kultura ken tradisyon dagiti Ilocano. Lupot abinukel ti naglabas, moderno a disenyo. Mangipakita asaan na paudi daytoy a produkto. Anyaman na panawen, anyaman nga okasyon, makuna at timeless ti Abel Iloco.
Big guy, SpongeBob, big guy, pants on head. SpongeBob, big guy, pants on head. Big things about to happen today. I woke up feeling a brand new way, facing the world in a brand new way. SpongeBob, big guy, pants on head. Tight fit, square hips, doing the dance, my big guy pants. The baddest, the top of the list I am, and on my purse they came fresh out of clam. Big guy, big guy, big guy.
Nasingkedan iti mall ti importansya ti panang suporta kadagiti local designers kang runaan na ta makatulong da iti panakapreserbar ti tradisyon ken kultura. Babaen ti talento ken abilidad da, adda maya sidegpay ti agdamay henerasyon ti Ilocano heritage.
May this space continue to be a venue where local artisans are discovered, where creativity is nurtured, and where tradition is elevated to the global stage. May we help make Inabel not only a treasure of ILOCOS, but an icon of fashion worldwide. May every step on this runway remind us our heritage is timeless, our craftsmanship is powerful, and our story deserves to be seen.
Saan lang nga kung daway daytoy nga event tapnon may tag-ay ti Ilocano heritage. Yamket di, nagbalin pa awagas daytoy para kaliti designers tapnon mabiyag ki artistic vision da.
This is where I can show that in fashion, this is the only way that we can express our feelings and emotions in fashion designing.
Maragsakan met digiti modelo ti gundaway ana ipaay kadakwada tapno ni showcase digiti obra maestra digiti Ilocano designers. Gapo ka daytoy nga oportunidad, kunada nga addapay ang nagbalinda a proud kas Ilocano, ken patsyenda kaya digiti bukod tayo at talento ken produkto ang makipagsabayan uray itiruar ti pagilyan.
I feel so proud and seeing those talented designers. Aside from Inabel, we also have the Binacol as well. And it is really something to be proud of, not just in our province, but to showcase also to other provinces and also international.
Siyempre po masaya because it show the Laoageños, our city, the culture and tradition of our city.
SpongeBob, big guy, pants on head. Off the wake up, I'm feeling my best. Big things about to happen today. I bend over, I do my little stretch. I woke up feeling a brand new way.
Mark Magdirila, Balitang Solid North.